gonna get the real scoop, if you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna see what the mega heroes are up to. I'm making a documentary. I am going to see what they're really thinking. Get in their minds, you know, like minds. So, are they thinking about zest? Are they thinking about lemons? What are they actually thinking? You can't judge a book by its cover. So, we're gonna find out, and I'm gonna see what they're really up to. Yeah, that's right. Get ready.
It is time. I have spent many years plotting my destruction, and it's coming together. It started with one. The nemesis of all Thurgood has now come under my beautiful wing. And now, I have another disciple who I will transform into my warrior, the new galaxy. And nobody will reject me, nobody will defeat me, and the Indigestor's reign will begin. Where's the unicorn? I'm getting hungry.
What is going on these days? What crazy times we're in. I go and shave my beard because I want to be taken more professional, and now I'm looked at as a mockery. The Indigestor sought me out for a reason. He wants to bring balance to the galaxy? What does that even mean? You look kind of handsome still. You got these gorgeous locks. Oh, that's not important! The goodies and the baddies have to respect you as the god you are. I mean, seriously, I won that competition fairly. I mean, look! Look at that, perfect rapping and everything. And those goodies didn't want a part of this talent? Nor did the baddies, they just insult me. By my previous beard, I will avenge my name as Thurgood, the god of legal affairs! Ha ha! I gotta stop eating these. I know I told the goody goodies I was gonna put it down, but no one's gonna know if I finish it off, right? One more bite. No one's watching. Wait, who's there? Who's it? Limon, it was there. It was like this when I found it. It was like this when. Give me that camera. Give me that camera, baby. Come on there. Man, this is your boy Sho E Nuff, and I cannot stop eating these things. It's so good, baby. This store, Merchant Mike's, man, they put them on sale. It's buy one, get one free, baby. Listen, I have all these meetings I gotta go to with the goody goodies. They haven't seen me in a couple months, right? I'm a little different now, baby. Sho E Nuff got doughy, baby. What is this, baby? Listen, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta get in shape somehow, baby. I mean, I got a meeting coming up next week. We're all gonna be there, baby. They gonna see how I look, and I need to put this down and start getting in shape. No one embarrasses showing up, baby. Gotta find a way to say no to these things. Hold on, one second, hold on. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I need to find a way to get rid of this and this, baby. And to get back to my fighting weight. I need some way, somehow. There's only a way I can zap this dang gut and be the man who I'm supposed to be. Yeah, I know there's something else in me, baby. Something else in me. And I need somehow to bring it out, but I just don't know how, baby. It's calling my name. Stop saying my name, baby. Okay, next week I'm gonna be ready. You watch out, goody goodies. I'm back.
This is the specimen I traveled across the galaxy to look for.
It's Sho E Nuff. It's nothing special.
Yes. He seemed to let himself go.
By my gorgeous locks. Look how doughy he is.
Oh. He still got it.
Yeah, he was once the greatest warrior in the galaxy until he met me. Ha ha ha!
Well, I have an idea.
Spit it out.
I have him drink from the chalice of the underworld. The dark gods will transform him into
That's interesting.
my being.
I don't know about that Indigestor.
Let me just. No!
All right. Don't get your bones in a bundle. This is a delicate
Something
operation.
delicate about you there. What did you do to him?
I infuse him with the power of the gods and my beard.
You're right, Thurgood. He looks lean, like a fighting machine.
Of course.
Oh,
Of course, he's now one of the gods influenced by my hammer.
Than an obsidian blade forged by my fathers.
Obsidian blade, weak bag of bones.
No, baby.
He's perfect.
I told you so. Nothing could stop us now.
You're right, Thurgood.
Of course I am.
Gold! That! Gold! That!
The reborn.
Good one. Yeah! Yeah!